Hey everyone, ready for some industry firsts? Introducing the R2400, Ericsson's latest Cradlepoint in-vehicle router. It's a ruggedized mobile router built for fleets, and it comes with a bonus. Ready? The RC1250 ruggedized captive modem. The R2400 is a benchmark device with multiple industry firsts designed for public safety, mass transit, and other mission-critical fleets. And the RC1250 can be added to either the R2400 or older in-vehicle routers, giving you a simple way to upgrade your network with the latest capabilities. Now for the fun part, let's open the box. Once connected, you'll see the cellular health light and the embedded modem state light. That's your signal that you're up and running. At the core of the R2400 is an embedded 5G SA modem that unlocks service provider features like network slicing, delivering better performance, more predictable connectivity, and an even better experience for end users. You also get 2 physical SIM slots and 2 embedded eSIMs. Each eSIM supports up to 7 carrier profiles, all managed remotely. Add in support for wired and satellite connectivity, and you have a lot of flexibility and resiliency built into a single platform. Okay, now here's where we get wild. The R2400 is the first ruggedized in-vehicle router to support dual SIM, dual standby, or DSDS. That means up to 10 times faster failover between 2 SIMs on a single modem. Failover that used to take 2 to 3 minutes now happens in seconds. And because both SIM profiles are active at the same time, you can actually see the performance of the failover network before you need it. No more blind failover. No more guessing whether the backup network will help or hurt. That kind of rapid, visible failover dramatically reduces downtime and keeps first responders and mass transit users connected to their critical applications when it matters most. Another industry first is real-time kinematics, or RTK. When the embedded RTK antenna is combined with CAN bus, dead reckoning, GNSS, and carrier-provided correction services, you can achieve up to centimeter-level location accuracy. That means lane-level positioning, better driver awareness, and entirely new location-based capabilities. You can see part of what enables that here through the GPIO connections. If you're running applications or APIs in the field, this matters too. The R2400 delivers 2.5 times more edge compute capacity than prior Ericsson routers. With built-in Docker and container support, you can run applications and APIs directly at the edge, closer to where the data is created and decisions are made. And if you've ever had to choose between speed and security, you don't have to anymore. The R2400 offers twice the throughput of prior models, up to 800 megabytes per second with security enabled. You get performance and protection at the same time. On the back of the unit, you'll notice 4 2.5 GBE Ethernet ports. These allow you to connect up to 4 RC1250 captive modems. That's 1 embedded 5G SA modem, plus up to 4 additional 5G SA modems for a total of 5 active cellular connections. The Ethernet-based plug-and-play design gives you flexibility in how and where those modems are installed. Each RC1250 also supports DSDS, 2 physical SIMs and 2 embedded eSIMs, expanding your connectivity options even further. You'll also see 2 additional 1 GBE ports that can be used for low Earth orbit satellite connections or extra LAN connectivity. With this many connectivity options, strong management is essential. That's where NetCloud comes in. This indicator shows the device is connected to NetCloud, where you can configure and manage everything centrally, from SD-WAN and traffic steering to forward error correction and intelligent link bonding with flow duplication. These services help ensure your critical applications never miss a beat. And for wireless access, the R2400 is equipped with Wi-Fi 7. That delivers 2 to 4 times faster speed and stronger security than Wi-Fi 6. Software-defined antennas let you run a 4x4 configuration or split into dual 2x2 networks, creating separate Wi-Fi bubbles for critical operations and passenger or public access. That was a lot to unpack, but worth it. The R2400 and the RC1250 take in-vehicle connectivity straight into the fast lane. Here's to thinking outside of the box.